Maintenance tips for your power chair. Tip 1. Clean your power chair. Using a wipe or damp cloth, give your power chair a clean to remove any dirt or dust. Tip 2. Check for wear and tear. Make sure your seat and backrest has no wear and tear. Tip 3. Check your freewheel lever. For safety, make sure your freewheel lever is in the locked position. Your power chair should not move when turned off. Tip 4. Check your tires. Check your power chair's tire pressure and tread. Don't forget to check your casters too. Tip 5. Check your battery and charger. Step 1. Check the battery for any damage. Step 2. Check your charger is charging your power chair. Tip 6. Check everything is in working order. Step 1. Check that the joystick or hand controls are working. Step 2. Check the brakes. Step 3. Check the lights and indicators. Make sure they are turning off and on. Step 4. Check the horn.